Good morning, good afternoon, all of you. How are you all, our viewers? These are some very good aspects and notes of history from a very good book. It's called DK Limited, Darling Kimberley, something like Darling Kimberley Limited, which is a UK company. Yeah, so here's the name of the company, Darling Kindersey Limited. Yeah. So here we begin something about history, like like when did the pharaohs rule, and and in number the Great Pyramid is also the largest stone structure on earth. So उसके वेट के बारे में बताया हुआ 2.5 टन. then beast, how many years it took it to build. The height from ground to Cape Stone 146 meter. The length of each of the four sides 230 मीटर. सो इस तरह से ये इजिप्ट ग्रेट पिरामिड इजिप्ट के बारे में बताया. देन यहाँ बताया हु वर द एंशिएंट ग्रीक्स. देन इसमें बताया हुआ हाउ लॉन्ग वाज द रोमन एम्पायर, like types of gladiators, 5 terrible emperors, Tiberius, Caligula, Nero, Commodus and Elagabalus. then how old is China, जो कोविड का भी कारण था. the main reason, the main destroyer of the global economy in 2020 is China, जिन्होंने सारा कोविड फैलाया from Wuhan laboratories. then who were the ancient Americans, ये भी बताया हुआ इसमें. then who were the Vikings, ये भी बता रखा है इसमें. and then when were the medieval times. The medieval time, like the Pope crossed 800 was the year when the Pope crowns the King of France Holy Emperor. And then 1066 William the Conqueror. 1088 the first European university is founded at Bologna, Italy. 1095 Pope Urban II calls for a crusade to the Holy Land. 1140 the Abbey of Saint Denis. 1298 then 1326 में क्या हुआ. 1431 में Joan of Arc is burnt at the stake, ये भी बताया हुआ है. and then who were the Ottomans, ये भी बताया हुआ इसमें. then what was Renaissance. The Renaissance is called rebirth. It's the name historians give it to a cultural movement that started in northern Italy in 1400 and spread throughout Europe in the course of the next years. then इसमें ये बताया है like who started the age of discovery. And then यहाँ बताया why did kings became so powerful in Europe. Before the 1500s, the nobles were always plotting revolts against kings. Over time, kings raised the money to pay for full-time armies, then happy families. The key to power in 16th century was to marry well. Emperor Charles V was nephew of the Catherine of Aragon, the first wife of Henry VIII of England. And then Charles V's son Philip II of Spain married Queen Mary I of England, who was Catherine and Henry's daughter. So इसके पीछे काफ़ी कारण है कि यूरोप के किंग्स इतने पावरफुल क्यों होते थे. And then ये भी बताया हुआ टेरिबल स्टार. हेनरी 8 की जो 6 वाइफ्स थी उनके बारे में बताया हुआ है. and then what is a colony. Colony is a settlement set up by a group of people in a new century in a new country with close ties to the country from where they came. Between 1500 and 1900, the European powers founded colonies all around the world from America to Africa. मतलब उन्होंने यूरोपियन पावर्स ने अमेरिका से लेके अफ्रीका, एशिया, पैसिफिक सब जगह राज किया था. कंट्रीज विद लार्ज नंबर ऑफ ओवरसीज कॉलोनीज आर कॉल्ड एम्पायर्स. Spain was the first European power to create an overseas empire in 1500s, but by 1900 Britain had the largest empire. Then यहाँ ये बताया 4 facts about British Empire. And then ये भी बताया हुआ the original colonies कौन सी थी. 13 colonies. Name New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, then Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia. then revolutions. अमेरिकन रेवोल्यूशन कब से कब तक चली थी. 1775 से 1783. फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन 1789 टू 1793. चाइनीज़ रेवोल्यूशन 1911. रशियन रेवोल्यूशन 1917. दैन क्यूबन रेवोल्यूशन 1959. 5 revolutionary leaders were George Washington, the Maximilian, Vladimir Lenin, Leon Trotsky and Mao Zedong of China. The which century has seen the most wars? So काफ़ी कुछ इस बुक में बताया है एंड मतलब किस ईयर में क्या क्या हुआ था ये भी बताया हुआ है. So here we end about history. Take care, stay safe. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.